Remove the door sill panel. Unscrew the bolt on the top right corner of the kick panel and remove the panel. Unscrew the screw on the lower left side of the dash panel. Unsnap the dash panel. You can remove the accessory connectors for easier access. Please note, in some vehicles, the previous steps may not be necessary and the BCM can be easily accessed by unsnapping the top of the dash panel. Locate the BCM behind the dash panel. Locate the 30-pin connector on the BCM. Some vehicles may have 1, 2, or 3 connectors on the BCM. If the BCM has 1 or 2 connectors, the 30-pin connector is located on top. If the BCM has 3 connectors, the 30-pin connector is located in the middle. In Toyota vehicles, the 30-pin connector will be white. In Lexus vehicles, the 30-pin connector will be black. Plug the T-harness in line to the 30-pin connector on the BCM. Unscrew the 2 screws on the bottom of the dash panel. Unsnap the lower dash panel. Unsnap the OBD2 port from the mounting bracket. Plug the OBD2 T-harness in line. Snap the OBD2 port from the T-harness back into the bracket. Use the provided zip ties to secure the module. Installation is now complete. Please refer to the guide for programming instructions.